Hey friends, welcome back to Wild Apple Homestead. Today we're baking the ultimate fudgy brownies. Naturally sweetened, rich in dark chocolate, and topped with that signature crackly crust. No refined sugar, just pure indulgence. Let's dive in. Start by melting 1/2 cup of unsalted butter with 6 ounces of chopped dark chocolate over low heat until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together 3/4 cup maple syrup, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until the mixture is glossy and slightly thickened. Slowly incorporate the melted chocolate mixture into the egg mixture, stirring continuously. Sift in 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Fold until just combined. Pour the batter into a parchment-lined baking pan and smooth the top. Bake at 325 degrees for 22 to 28 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center is slightly gooey. Allow the brownies to cool completely in the pan to set the fudgy texture and develop that crackly top. What are you going to try? What is it?
Brownies.
Oh.
Mmm.
Is it good? Yeah.
Delicious.
Oh, good. Okay, now it's Kellen's turn. Yeah? Gets a thumbs up of approval? Good. These brownies are everything, rich, fudgy, and naturally sweetened. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more wholesome treats, and share your favorite baking adventures in the comments below. Happy baking from Wild Apple Homestead. See you next time.